Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Introduction to HTML, Chapter 8, Computer Subject, Class 6. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's begin. Now, first, tick the correct option. All HTML tags are enclosed in less than greater than. Second, which program do you need the view and HTML documents? Answer, web browser. 3. There are mainly tabs of HTML editor. Answer is 3 tabs of HTML editor. 4. Which of the following tags has an opening and closing tags? Answer is container tags. B. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. Answer, HTML is a markup language used for creating web pages. Second, the page title is located inside the head section. 3. Block label tags take up the entire width available. 4. Empty tags contain only the opening tags. 5. Starting a tag before closing the previous tag is called nesting of tag. Application based question. First, Amit was to add some heading to his web pages, but that doesn't know which tag is used to do so. Suggest to tag to him to solve the problem. Answer is h1 headings should be used for main heading followed by h2 heading then the उसके बाद मैं यहाँ पे लिखी हूँ, कंफ्यूज नहीं करना. ओके, यहाँ पे then the less important h3. Second question, Anisa is creating a web page about the Wright brother, but she forgot how to add the title to her web page. Suggest her the tag to do so. Answer, to add a title to her web page, Anisha should use the title tag in HTML. Solve the correct crossword. Okay. स्टूडेंट लुक एट द पिक्चर, सॉल्व योर क्वेश्चन. फिर भी मैं पढ़ देती हूँ. ओके, फर्स्ट में क्या होगा? एम्प्टी. सेकेंड में नोट पैड. थर्ड में हाइपर टेक्स्ट. फोर में आपका होगा बॉडी. 5 में टैग्स. 6 में टाइटल. 7 में बीजी कलर. 8 में अलाइन. 9 में हेड. ओके. After that, question answer and long tab, question short tab in notebook. Introduction to HTML chapter 8. Short answer tab question. For what is HTML? Answer is HTML stand for hypertext markup language. It is a markup language that describes the structure of the web page. It allows us to create web pages that contain paragraph. Second आपका होगा define container tags. Answer, the tags have both opening and closing tags are called container tags. 3. Explain the purpose of HTML tags. Answer, the HTML tags tells the web browser that the text contained between HTML/HTML is a web page and can be viewed using a web browser. Every web page coding must starts with the HTML tag and ends with the /HTML tags. 4. What do you mean by head tags? Answer, the head tags defines header area of your web pages. The information given in head tags tells the computer that this information is not to be shown on the web page. The head is container tag used in prior as head and /head. Every web page coding must have its header tags. Okay. After that, long tab of questions. First, what are the rules required for writing HTML tags? Answer, there are rules required for writing HTML tags are container tags should allows be closed properly. Second, values Values given to the attribute should be enclosed within the double quotes. Tag names should not contain spaces. There are there sorry there should no there should be no spaces between and in a tag. Tags must be nested correctly. Two question: what is HTML editor? Name any two HTML editor. Answer: an HTML editor is a software application or paragraph used to create, edit, and manage HTML code for building web pages. There are mainly two types of HTML editor. First, WYSIWYG. Okay, second, text editor. Third question: what is heading tags? Write all the heading tags supported by HTML. Answer: the heading tags are used to give a similar effect to your web pages. There are container tags with a start tags and in tags. HTML has 6 levels of heading such as H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. The H1 is the first level of heading and H6 is the last level of heading, subject heading. Okay, student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.